Hi everybody. Today, Hideous Hedgehog and I wanted to talk to you about resilience. Now, you might have heard this word a lot lately or not at all, but it's a word that talks about how we can spring back from things that are hard. And I found a great exercise this week that helped me really get concrete, thinking about what are my practices of resilience and what might be helpful reminders to other people too. So you might have seen an exercise that I sent around to families called the Toolbox of Care. Here's mine. So inside it, I have 5 tools. The first one is this feather. It's a super delicate one. I don't know if you can see it, but it moves pretty dramatically when you blow on it. And so this feather is my reminder of breathing and how when we slow down and take a breath, we can restore ourselves to a sense of calm. And when we're moving between one thing to another, we could stop in between, pause, and take in a deep breath and let it out. And then step into the next thing. So that's the first one. The second one is humor and fun. And so my reminder of that is some bubbles. The third thing I wanted to remember was to savor things, to remember the good parts of fun things that I have done and not just let them fly away, but to spend a moment enjoying them. And so in this container, I have salt. And salt, to me, can help things taste savory. The next tool that I have in my toolbox is this pin that was my mother's. And it reminds me of both nature and beauty and how people can make lovely art or sing or do other creative things. People can make jewelry, and the act of creating can help us stay resilient. And here's my last tool. And this is a piece of fiber paper. And the reason that I chose this was because I wanted to remember connections. Each of these threads in here is connected to so many other threads. And that reminds me of community and how we are all connected in different ways. And when you put us all together, we make a strong mesh. So those are the 5 things in my toolbox of care. And Hideous and I would love to hear what's in yours. What makes you resilient?